didn't know you can transform your Word document into a Sway web page? Word lets you easily transform your document into an interactive and easy to share Sway web page that looks great on any device. This feature is available only to Microsoft 365 subscribers for Windows desktop clients. Alright, so if you have previous versions of Microsoft Word, you might not have this functionality in it. So I'm going to take you straight to the home, the File tab, and scroll right down. You'll find this button called Transform. Click on the Transform button, and by the right hand side, it's loading to a web page. For you to be able to do this, you also need to have an internet subscription. So by the right hand side, you would see that it has opened to a web page version. So right here, the styles, you can scroll down and choose the style that best suits your preference. Alright, so I'm going to choose something that looks nice to me, or just for the illustration purpose, I'll choose the first one. Once you click on the first one, click on Transform. This section simply tells you that your document will be transformed into Microsoft Sway web page using your personal account. So what I need to do now is just click on the Transform button, and while I wait, it's going to simply transform into a web page, but it's going to do that transform in the Internet Explorer. So it's loading. You can see here Microsoft Sway. So I'm going to put a link up here on how you can build a web page using the Microsoft Sway. Alright, so this is your web page. You can see the document, the writing that was there initially. Alright, so this is how to transform. Here is the title. You can remove this by going to the edit section. Click on the edit, take off that part. I'm just going to do that a little bit. Copy this and put it this section, edit. I'm going back to that section where I can edit and put the title. Here, that's what I want to be there, and it's saved automatically, so I can play, so you would see how that looks. Alright, so this is where your title goes in, all about video, and this is the content. So a link, watch out for the link if you want to learn how to create a web page using the Microsoft Sway. Please click on the link that appears right